I've liked tractors and working on stuff since I was little, and it's just nice to be able to do that and go into a profession that I get to do that.
I got out of the military and I wanted to further some experience with mechanics, and I figured this was a good place to go and learn about it.
You get to learn something new almost every day. It's not just working on one thing, it's working on a variety of things, so you're never doing the same thing.
You're in the shop at least some part of the day usually. Whether or not you're going over an inspection or something, wrenching on something, or just going over basic work, everything is revolving around computers now. So here at Mitchell Tech, they really teach you to know how to use those computers and use your resources.
I think one of the big advantages that Mitchell Tech has over other schools is that we're partnered with a lot of companies, and they give us the diagnostic tools to help figure out the problem. We use these tools to diagnose and troubleshoot problems that the equipment is having, such as fault codes and electrical problems.
There's a variety of equipment here that we get to work on. They have a good partnership with their local C&B, so we get to work on plenty of good John Deere equipment.
Coming out of Mitchell Tech, I'll have a pretty good understanding and a great knowledge as far as diagnosing equipment, which I couldn't really do before. It's really fun because I just get to work on things, and it's what I love doing.
Be the best at Mitchell Tech.